So, hello everybody, it's me, Marion Yell, aka Miss Verruca. So we have this lovely patient here with needling. So how has it been, sir? Has it been good in terms of recovery?
Yeah, needling's been fine.
Good.
It's sore obviously, but it's been good.
Good. And how long has it been since the procedure?
Almost 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks. And what's your pain level recently?
Right now it's like 1 or 2, just beyond soreness.
Fantastic. So what we can see is, if Verruca wants to come back, you by now you could see signs of it coming back, kind of more kind of hyperkeratosis kind of tissue, irregular striations. So I can see some kind of normal skin striations, which is fantastic. Obviously we still have a wound there, but it's still relatively flat. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just scraping away all the dead skin, making the skin even, because that can affect kind of wound care, weight distribution and things like that. And we're going to then just have a nice iodine dressing, and then that still needs to be dry. So we'll see you back next week, and the wound will get smaller and smaller and smaller. I'm very, very happy with what I'm seeing right now. Probably 2 or 3 more weeks of healing time to be completely healed, and a couple of months to grow back that skin. Okay, excellent. Let's dress it. Fantastic. So I'm just going to dress it like that. Like that.